Breakaway unit fitted to your camper trailer. When attaching this, pull the pin out. You will need to give that a quick pull. Slide this over top of the main body of the tow bar, bringing it back underneath. You'll slide the pin through the hole at the end, making that sure that's nice and secure. Then plug this back in at the front of the trailer. It's important to remember with your Breakaway that this is connected to your house batteries. If you leave that pin removed for a prolonged length of time, your batteries will drain themselves completely flat, causing damage. It's also good to remember that do not use this as your parking brake. Your trailer's fitted with a handbrake for a reason, so we're going to use that one. Walk by.